Tuesday morning. Your manager just sent a meeting invite, no subject line. You checked your bank account. Rent is in 11 days. You disagree. You know he's wrong, but you nod anyway. So I'm confident this is the best approach. That exhaustion, it's not work, it's financial fear. This isn't a confidence problem, it's a math problem. There's a number that changes everything, $3,000 a month. Same salary, same job, two completely different lives. One has zero passive income. Every decision feels dangerous. The other makes $3,000 a month without showing up. Financial stress literally lowers your IQ. When the market crashed, Alex sold. It's crashing! Sell everything now! I don't care! Just dump it all! Marcus bought. For Alex, a $1,400 repair is a crisis. For Marcus, it's just an expense. Well, that's that. All right, paid. $3,000 isn't luxury. It's a floor. Dividends, rentals, digital income, built slowly. He didn't quit. He just stopped being afraid. Enough is the point where fear disappears. Are you building a floor or waiting for permission?